let's warm up our spines and stretch out our backs by doing cat and cow. So everybody take your hands, put them on either side over here, and make sure that your fingers are really, really open and stretched out, and your knees are on the ground just like this. So what we're going to do is first we're going to do a cow, where we're going to take a big belly breath in, and then you're going to stick your head up as far as you can, and let me hear everybody go, moo. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring our bottom down, and then we're going to tuck our chin in like this, and take a deep breath in, and go meow. So I'm going to turn sideways to show you how to do it better. So first, we start off over here. You can have your feet like this. You can have your feet like that. Doesn't really matter. Take your fingers, put them nice and big like this. Everybody look straight ahead. Now first, we're going to take a big belly breath in. Watch my belly. See if you can make your belly as big as mine. Breathe in. And we're going to look all the way up, stick our bottoms up in the air, and everybody go moo. And now we're going to bring our bottoms down. We're going to bend our back so it makes like the letter C. Letter C. We big breath in. And everybody go meow. Nice. And everybody lift your bottom up. Take a big belly breath in. Everybody go moo. And same thing, curl your body down, breathe in, and go meow. Let's try it all together. Ready? Moo. Meow. Moo. Meow. Nice job. Give yourself a high five.